Hi guys, welcome back to the news. In a recent development, the Federal Capital Territory High Court, situated in Bawari, has scheduled September 14th as the date for the commencement of proceedings regarding a motion that seeks to have Mahmood Yakubu, the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission (Inec), arrested. And this action has been taken due to the allegations of his alleged defiance of a court order. A motion in question was formally submitted by Otumba and Mustafa Rabiu, both of them who they secured positions during a convention in Owerri, Imo State on May 31st, 2019, where Otumba Ogida was elected as the national vice chairman of the Southwest Geopolitical Zone of the All Progressive Grand Alliance (APGA), while Mustafa Rabiu became the National Welfare Officer. Now, with the nature of the application, it revolves around Mahmood Yakubu's purported disregards for the court interim injunction issued on May 10th, which directed all parties involved in the case to maintain the status quo until the final determination of the substantive suit slated for September 28. And in particular, Rabiu and Ogidan accused Yakubu of refusing to acknowledge Edozie Ujoku as the legitimate national chairman of APGA and the releasing of names of governorship candidates for the off-cycle governorship elections scheduled for November 11th in Imo, Kogi, Bayelsa, and candidates who were not endorsed by Ojukwu. Furthermore, the plaintiffs contended that Inec persistently recognizes Victor Onye as the fractional chairman of the APGAG, an act that blatantly contravenes the court's order. The accusation did not stop there, my country people. Onye also is accused of convening a National Executive Council (NEC) meeting of the party, which violated the court's injunction preventing him from organizing any meetings or campaigns or conventions in the name of the party. And during the recent court appearance, Joseph Ogbayi, the court's chief registrar, confirmed that the motion is incarcerate Yakubu had been served to him on July 13th. However, it was noted that the original copy of the proof of service was mysteriously absent from the court file. And interestingly, the bailiff, Musa, acknowledged removing the original copy of the proof of service from the file, but did not provide a clear reason for doing so. And yes, my country people, in the light of this development, the presiding judge, Mohammed Madugu, had decided to adjourn the hearing on Onye's case to September 28, allowing for further examination and deliberation on the complex legal matter. The postponement reflects the gravity of the allegations needed for a thorough examination of the evidence presented. Well, my country people, the courts have approved a suit seeking to commit the INEC chairman Mahmood Yakubu to prison. The legal battle is really tough and has taken another dimension with a motion already seeking to commit the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC), Professor Mahmood Yakubu, to prison. And Mahmood Yakubu is accused of publishing illegal governorship candidates for APGA in Kogi, in Imo and Bayelsa State. And Justice Mohammed Madugu, sitting in Bawari Division of the court, has already fixed the date for the definite hearing of the motion, which is set for September 14th, 2023. And yes, my country people, The contempt charges on Victor Oyi and Professor Mahmood Yakubu was for flaunting and ignoring the court's interim injunction on May 10, 2023, which ordered parties in the suit to maintain status quo ante bellum pending the determination of the substantive suit comes upon on September 28, 2023. Similarly, Professor Mahmood Yakubu continued to recognize Oyi as the national chairman of APGA as against the court order. He also published the name of one Mr. Sylvester, who was a product of an illegal convention held at Awka. But before the courts fixed the hearing date, it was discovered that the original copy of the proof of service of the committal charge on Victor Oye had disappeared mysteriously from the judge's file, while that of his fellow contemnor, Professor Mahmood Yakubu, was in the file. And this was a very, very, strange development. So we have APGA crisis. The court now have approved, these charges against the Inec chairman, Professor Mahmood Yakubu, in a legal battle in the All Progressive Grand Alliance, that's the APGA. And now they has taken this issue into another dimension, seeking a motion to commit the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, Inec, Professor Mahmood Yakubu, to prison. So guys, it's happening. This is what we are seeing. Mahmood Yakubu certainly is going down any moment from now, because yes, they are heading to court over these charges for flaunting the court orders and publishing illegal governorship candidates for APGA. Those candidates have not been recognized by APGA. Those are the candidates for APGA in Kogi, in Imo, and also in Bayelsa State. But then Mahmood Yakubu went ahead and published their names. But according to the party, they haven't been recognized by the party. So these guys here are illegal. So my country people, what are your thoughts on this issue? I'm dropping here, guys. Kindly share your thoughts on this in the comments section.